Whee! All right, here we got a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Um, just want to go real quick over. I'm not gonna show you step by step how to do this light, but it's real easy. But the point of this video is about the connection. Okay, but to do this, you just remove a couple clips here on the top, then you unclip it from the bottom. I remove this so I don't scratch it. This one has, your Jeep might not have this. And then, to get the actual light out, you need a, let me see if I can tell you what it is. This is a T15 focus, T15. All right, but here is the problem you're gonna run into it when you buy your kit. It's gonna come with two connections. This one so you can use it on other car. This is gonna be the one for your Jeep. If it's a H4, your car's H4, you just go straight to it. If it's something else, you're gonna have to modify it with this one. If it's H13, like this one is, and you're gonna get your connector, and you're gonna try to connect it here. And trust me, I'm trying to help you guys out. It took me a minute to figure this one out. So I thought that, I kept pushing it in and it wasn't going in. So I kept moving the pins a little bit down, all three, and then I'll try it again. Didn't work. Then I try to move them all the way down a little bit. I tried again, didn't work. Okay, so here's the problem. Right inside there, in the very end, right between the tab that you gotta press on the right and on the left, there is another plastic sticking out. Well, that's where this is touching. This little guide is touching right in the center of that. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a knife and you're gonna cut a little bit off that. See right there? Just like that. And now watch. I put it in. Oh, if I can put it in now. See right there? It went all the way in. If you don't do that little notch, let me see if I can take it back out. Press right here and pull. If you don't do those little notch right there, that connector is never gonna go in. All right. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little upgrade from regular H13 to some LED, and I'll show you how they look once I get them installed. All right. So putting the light in, the light is actually gonna have two little guides right here, two little. See right there, that plastic, and one on this side, so you can make sure the DOT is facing up. Then you just push them in and it's gonna stay there for you. That way you can put your ring around. Toby Lulu. Haha, where are you? You getting big. All right, go outside. Go. Go. You wanna stay? We wanna go. Go, Toby. Go, 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 go. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just. You coming back? What is that? Can someone tell me why is she doing that? All right, leave in the comment. All right, so now all you gotta do is put all your little thing back and test it out before you close it. All right, so let's see. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. Make sure you test your high beam. Mira este de bonito que le trajo al Agárrame ahí, por favor. Alright, that's how they look. Nice. Gotta wipe them off a little bit. Just smoking a little bit because I just put new catalytic converter. Alright, if you want to follow this crew, this is the name of their page on Instagram. See around. Yeah, smell a lot of exhaust because of the new catalytic converter. Whew. All right. All right. Hope you like it. Like always, please subscribe, like, and share.